Hi everyone, this is Divisha Agrawal and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with yet another makeup look for the festive season. I thought of sitting down and filming an updated makeup routine for the festive season using a bunch of new products that I've gotten over the last few weeks, and I was really excited to show it all to you guys because ye sare makeup products are just... So let's just get into the video because I'm very excited to create this beautiful look for you guys. Let's just go. Also, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends as well. And now let's begin for real. Starting off with primer. Right now I have nothing on my face except for my moisturizer, so I'm going in with a sunscreen that also acts like a primer. So this one is the Licorice Beam by 82E. It's just amazing. I genuinely love the texture of this one because it's as good as a primer, and it also acts as a sunscreen, which is amazing. I mean, it's a sunscreen but acts like a primer, so you know what I mean. See, it's just transparent, so it will blend into my skin just like that. इसका texture बहुत ज़्यादा smooth है and it feels so good on the skin. Next up, let's do the base. Now, if you know, I've completely stopped using foundation like at all. I haven't used foundation in like last 2 years. I directly go in with a color corrector because I have dark circles, so I like to use a peach color corrector for the same. This one is by the LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's great. It blends beautifully. I'll gently dab it in. पीच कलर करेक्टर मेनली डार्कनेस को या पिगमेंटेशन को कम करने में हेल्प करता है, विच आई मेजरली हैव अराउंड माई आईज. बट इफ यू हैव पिगमेंटेशन इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ योर फेस, फील फ्री टू यूज अ पीच कलर करेक्टर फॉर द सेम. And now moving in with a concealer. Currently loving this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer and it's affordable. It lasts all day and sweat resistant, all the good things. I got it as a part of a collaboration and I have not stopped using it since then. Every single day when I have to shoot, I'm using this concealer. I don't need a lot, so I'll keep it minimal and it blends beautifully, okay? That's one of the reasons I love it so much. I've blended it really nicely because blending is the most important part to a flawless base. Itna maine seekh liya hai doing makeup for such a long time now. This concealer is in shade 314 beige, and if you have a similar skin tone like mine, then you can definitely go for this shade because I think it's very close to perfect. Now, setting your base makeup using a setting powder is extremely important. Doesn't matter that you have a dry skin, normal skin, combination skin or oily skin, because if you don't set your base makeup, then it is going to move. So I have found this extremely amazing product for the same. This one is the Easy Bake by Huda Beauty. I am in the shade Blondie, and again this one was sent to me in PR, and I have just been loving this product like nothing else because this is kind of like the best setting powder I have ever used. It just sets everything perfectly, doesn't crease my under eye and lasts almost all day. So that's why I absolutely love this product, and it smells divine. Now, earlier I never used to set my makeup perfectly, like I used to always crease my under eye, but मैंने फिर मालविका सितलानी का एक वीडियो देखा in which she was showing this technique and I thought कि यार मैं भी ट्राई करके देखती हूँ, शायद मेरे लिए भी वर्क करे, and it really works. So what she does is she just takes like a little bit of powder and sweep it across a little bit, not a lot. Okay. And now the next step, she's going to take like a lot of product basically and bake it, bake the under eye. So that's how you do it. Now we'll let this powder sit in for a few minutes while we do our eyes. So for eyes, I'm going to take this eyebrow pencil. This one is a new one by Inside Cosmetics and I've heard good reviews about it, so I thought कि यार चलो try करते हैं. And it's in the shade I think brownish. Yeah, it's like dark brown shade. All the product links would be in the description box, so in case you want to check out any of these products, then that's where you will find it. Just fill in the gaps. It looks pretty. Next, eyeshadow कर लेते हैं. So I'm using my all-time favorite palette for festive season and for weddings as well. It's a little bit old and dirty, but I just love it so much. It's the Blush Nudes palette by Maybelline. I know market में बहुत सारे नए palettes आ गए, लेकिन there are some things that are just I'm not able to move on, and this palette is one of them because it has such gorgeous shades for the festive season. Like it has darker shades, lighter shades, shimmery, and all that glitter and jazz that you need for the festive season. So we are going to do a white base, then some bit of this grey mix, and then last mein golden. So I think that would look really nice with this outfit. Let's do that. Okay, it's very subtle, and I think that's how I prefer it. I don't like crazy eye makeup. Next up हम use करेंगे काजल because I think my face is looking a little bit drained out today, so उसमें थोड़ी सी liveliness के लिए काजल will help. This kajal is by Plum, and I have been using it for a few weeks now, and I actually like it because it doesn't really smudge that much. I think I need to do this off camera. काजल इज़ डन, लेकिन मुझे eyeliner जैसा भी एक इफेक्ट चाहिए. So for that I'm going to use a black eyeshadow here from the same palette. I'm going to use this angular brush sort of a thing to kind of apply it. Can you see it? It looks nice. Makeup is so much fun. You get to experiment a lot. कुछ भी करना है, you know, consider your face like a drawing sheet or something and just do anything and everything that comes naturally. Lastly, for the eye makeup, we are using this mascara by L'Oreal Paris. This one is the Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. And honestly, मुझे वो eyelash color use करने में बहुत डर लगता है somehow. So I need a good mascara for that natural lift. So this one really does the job, and that's why I've been loving it so much. Done. Now for the under eye, what I'm going to do is take a brush and just dab this in, the powder. You don't have to brush it away, you just have to push it in. And we are done with the eye makeup completely. I think it looks pretty festive and pretty fresh as well. Now my favorite part is the blush. I'm going to be using this one by K Beauty. I have spoken about this one in my last video. If you haven't watched that already, go watch it. I am absolutely in love with this one. So just a little bit. It is such a gorgeous shade. I mean, now highlighter के लिए मेरे पास दो choices हैं. Now I have this Nykaa का Strobe and Glow. It's a liquid highlighter, and I have this really old one by Maybelline. So I'm confused कौन सा use करूँ. I think I'll go with the gold one because शायद outfit के साथ वो ज़्यादा better जाएगा, and it will look all festive as well. Festive, is that even a word? I don't know. Tiny little bit. Wow, this is amazing. The last step is using a lipstick. Now I'm going to use this one by Nykaa, Lips Don't Lie, in the shade Pillow Fight. I love this shade. It's such a nice pink brown shade. Suits Indian skin tone, and इससे ना lips का shape एकदम properly define हो जाता है. It just looks better. For lipstick, I'm going in with this tiny little one by Kiro Beauty. This is a new addition. I got this in PR package, and I absolutely love the finish and the way it glides on my lips. This one is in the shade Rose Petal. It's a very pretty shade. So, and it gives like a natural looking shine as well to your lips. And done. Now last step, since it's the festive season, you definitely want कि आपका makeup last करे for like at least 3 to 4 hours. So I've gotten this new setting spray from Maybelline. This one actually makes your makeup last for at least 6 to 8 hours, which is great for the price. It's affordable, and it gives like a very dewy finish as well, which I think all of us kind of love. So now I'm going to show you the final look.